In front of me is VIVO V50 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password from Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down right away to click on Users and Accounts. Then click on Google. Select Google Password Manager and tap on any password you wish to get rid of. Enter your screen lock. Click on Delete button and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!